So if there is a video that you want to add to a playlist, here's one about Lego pizza. So if I wanted to have a Lego playlist, there is a save button here on videos. Now, some of the videos, it will not let you put it in a playlist if the video is intended for kids, apparently. So that could be a little tricky part. But it's something to try because you just go to the video you like and you go to the save. And when the save thing comes up, you can use a playlist you already have, or you can make a new one. I don't know if I have just a plain Lego one. I have Lego robotics. So I'll just make a new one. Lego ideas. And then you can make it public. Should be good. And I hit create. And now it should be in there. So now let me go to my channel. And then I go to right here, playlists. And they're now on my channel. I have my Lego idea playlist. Like I said, the only trouble will be some of those videos may not be able to be added. So see what happens.